Hello, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Joyner, Community Coordinator for NASA's Earth Science Data Systems, and I am very excited to share with you our newest iteration of the Air Quality Data Pathfinder, an online guide to help data users discover and use NASA data for air quality research and decision making. The Air Quality Data Pathfinder helps you address a variety of different research interests that include but are not limited to monitoring the movement of wildfire smoke and dust plumes, tracking the path of ash from volcanic eruptions, identifying concentrations of NO2, SO2, and other pollutants near cities, suburbs, and major transportation systems, and understanding how concentrations of these pollutants are changing over time. But who is this Pathfinder designed for? From users who do not know where to start with NASA data, this Pathfinder shows you where and how to begin. For users who are short on time and need quick insights, this Pathfinder guides you to websites, applications, and tools to help find the data you need for just-in-time exploration and analysis. For users who have questions about data related to aerosols, trace gases, weather, land surface, human interactions, and other parameters, this data Pathfinder is your guide to common NASA data sets, along with the tools for using these data to meet your growing needs. And then finally, for users who need air quality data for a specific date, time, and place, no problem. This Pathfinder provides those tools and services to help you search, download, and select just the data you need for the job. Originally released in 2021, this update features new user-centered design elements and content that air quality researchers and decision makers are asking for. To date, we've seen a 355% increase in metrics of this resource since we've released the updated content. So let's dive into this Pathfinder to explore ways that you can access and use NASA air quality data. We can access the data pathfinders from the Earth Data homepage, located here. Once you are on this page, go to the Learn section at the top. Here you will be able to access a variety of different content, including our data pathfinders. We have over 16 data pathfinders, and you will find air quality at the top. In this data pathfinder, you will find information about how to get started with our data pathfinder, who it's intended for, how to get an Earth data login, as well as where to go when you need help, for example, in the Earth Data Forum. Following the page downward, you can find the Find the Data section. Here we have a variety of different key topics and parameters available. We will come back to that section in a second. The next part is tools for using data, and these are organized by how the user can intend to use these data. If you open each accordion, you will find a variety of different tools that will help users. We also have a developer section. This section links to APIs, Jupyter Notebooks, and content for developers. We also have a section that enables people to connect to the Sustainable Development Goals related to air quality, as well as other resources for air quality applications. Now let's jump back to Find the Data section. Let's go here to Aerosol Data. Within aerosol data, you can see we have AOD, or aerosol optical depth, aerosol index, PM2.5, and dust score. The format of each page includes the following. We have a commonly used aerosol optical depth data at a glance page. This includes a data table that is organized by spatial, resolution and coverage, temporal resolution and coverage, spectral resolution, and then we get into the satellite platform, sensor names, model name, as well as we include what kind of data this is. Is it observation, model, reanalysis, and then file format. We also hyperlink the different sensors and model names down below to where the content can be found. Under each of the data tables, you will find a Use the Data section. Here you will find tutorials from NASA Earth data, as well as HAQAST, RSET, and many others. These are related to how to use aerosol optical depth data. We have use cases, data visualizations, GIS-ready tools and tutorials, data access tools, data customizing tools from various stacks, as well as programming tools. Following that section, you will find links to specific sensor data. We provide direct links to NASA Worldview, as well as to Giovanni, where those data exist, also to NASA Earth Data Search. Each of the different tabs are organized in the same fashion. With the exception of human dimension data. In summary, this new iteration of the Air Quality Data Pathfinder features the following updates. Resources are grouped by parameter, not by satellite or sensor. Each parameter features a data table organized by resolution for easy identification. There are anchored links in the data table to help users move from data tables directly to the hyperlinked mission, sensor, and data for quick download or visualization. Data tools are better organized by the function of the tool to aid user selection. Resources are visibly incorporated for GIS users, programmers, and other advanced users. And the Data Pathfinder integrates many Earth data and RSET trainings for your just-in-time learning needs. Additionally, our program has a variety of tools to help you share information with your constituents and networks. NASA Earth Science Data Systems offers our Pathfinder postcard like the one shown here. We also offer presentation slides to complement your presentations and exhibits. If this or any of our other resources pique your interest, or you have additions, comments, or wish to connect about outreach events, please reach out. You can find me on LinkedIn or reach out to me via email. You can also find NASA Earth Science Data Systems on social media, as well as I encourage you to subscribe to our monthly newsletter. Thanks for having me.